We have a bond with 4 coupons left. The coupon annual yield is 10%. The yield at which coupon rate is 10%. Yield at which you will discount is 8%. That's the annual yield. So semi-annual yield will be 4%. So effectively the cash flows are given here. The first cash flow you will receive is 5, second is 5, third is 5, the fourth is 105. The trick here is to get to these data points which says there are 104 days to the next coupon. So effectively if I'm standing on day 0, the next coupon happens here. If I discount by 1 period, so the cash flow divided by 1 plus r to the power 1 discounts this cash flow all the way up to day 0. But in the question we are saying that I'm already through 78 days because only 104 days are left to the next coupon period, which means I cannot discount it by this period. The amount of period left now is to be given by 104 by 182. This is the period left. So if I were to convert this to years, this much year is left, and hence I have to discount it only from this point to this point. Correct? So let's try and calculate that. 104 by 182 is equal to 0.57. So about 0.57 of the period is left. The second period would correspondingly be plus 1 and plus 1. So effectively, while the next cash flow is at 1, 2, 3 and 4, what will happen is that the cash flow will happen after these many periods. So your cash flow has to be discounted by 1 plus r to the power 0.57 plus 1 plus r to the power 1.57, because we are taking this back to today's date, which is already 78 days ahead of the last coupon payment. Correct? So that's the trick in this question. Let's try and solve this very quickly. So when we look at this, effectively this is the cash flow divided by 1 plus the discount rate to the power 0.57 periods left. That's 4.89. We'll copy paste. The bond's full price is 105.39. That is the full price. Let's now try and calculate the clean price. So note that the accrued interest has to be calculated to come to the clean price. Out of the 182 days, 104 are left, which means 78 days of accrued interest has to come. Correct? So all we need to do is 78 by 182 multiplied by the interest. Or you could take accrued interest, the total coupon rate, multiplied by 1 minus W, where W is the ratio 104 by 182. This is what we had calculated here. 1 minus 104 by 182 is equal to 78 by 182, which is what is this. We will get interest only for the accrued interest is only for the first 78 days. So we calculate that. Well, let's calculate accrued interest very quickly. We are saying this is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 minus 0.57. 2.14 is the accrued interest. The clean price therefore is full price minus the accrued interest, which is 103.24.